Venus, the second planet from the Sun, and named after the Roman goddess of love, is one of the hottest planets in our solar system. The atmosphere on this planet can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and over 400 degrees Celsius, and is home to many active volcanoes. It also has massive hurricanes that range up to 220 miles per hour while raining sulfuric acid. Interestingly enough, this planet is sometimes called Earth's twin sister due to their similarity in size. If you're into astrology, Venus is the ruling planet of astrological signs Taurus and Libra.